Hi, this is Kuba with REIKit, the online real estate investment software for house flippers, real estate wholesalers, and buy and hold investors. REIKit helps you automate your lead marketing and deal analysis to get you into more and more profitable deals faster and with less effort. In this video, I'll show you an automated lead management funnel that you can create in REIKit to help you follow up with motivated seller leads from initial contact to automatically sending your offer amount to the seller. This way, you can spend more of your time on lead generation, leaving the management of your follow-up to our automated system. So let's get started. Your lead funnel starts with the lead capture website that is included in your REIKit marketing subscription plan. Now I'm going to pretend that I am John Smith, a motivated seller, and I'm going to enter my contact information into the lead capture form on the website. As soon as that seller submits the form, he will receive an email thanking him for contacting you and letting him know that you will be contacting him with an offer. You will also get an email with your lead's contact information, letting you know about his request and that it is now in your REIKit CRM. Because you have linked your REIKit website with the pre-built website lead to send offer automation campaign, as soon as that lead comes in, the system will automatically assign 3 tasks for you to perform, and it also schedules an automated email that will eventually get sent to the seller with your offer amount. Specifically, the automation does the following. 1. It assigns a task for you to call the lead immediately, because as soon as that lead comes in, that's when it is the hottest. 2. It also assigns an immediate task for you to come up with an offer. It then waits 1 day to give you enough time to analyze the deal and come up with that offer amount, at which point it sends an automated scheduled email to the lead letting them know of your offer. This email will automatically use the amount that you typed into the offer section in the seller lead profile. Finally, the system assigns a task 1 day after the offer email gets sent for you to call and follow up with the lead about the offer. So let's go back to when the lead notification email comes into your inbox. If you're looking at the email on your phone, you can call them back simply by tapping on the phone number in that notification. Otherwise, you can click on Open Lead in REIKit to open that lead info sheet in the CRM. When they pick up the phone, then you should start gathering information on the property and their situation, simply by going down the list of fields in the lead sheet. Starting with, is the property listed with anyone, with who and for how much, and ultimately, during your conversation, you want to get to the heart of why they submitted their lead information to you, their motivation. Once you have gathered all of your lead's information and the call is completed, you should mark the first task as completed. Alternatively, if you couldn't get a hold of them and left them a voicemail, you could note that before completing the task. Then you can go ahead and work on the next task, which is to use the REIKit expert analysis tools to quickly analyze the property and come up with an accurate offer amount. To do this, we're going to go back to our seller profile and create a project for the seller's property address. What this does is it pulls in all of the premium data that we have on the property, including our premium comps, so that you can come up with an accurate ARV and an accurate offer amount. After the property data is generated, you'll find it in the project section of the lead profile. To start analyzing the project, just click on the Go to Project button. One of the first things that you should do is to check the property owner information and verify that you are actually talking with the owner of the property. Once you have verified that, the next thing you will need to do is get the ARV of the property. The ARV is the most important number that you can come up with when determining your offer, and REIKit has one of the most robust tools on the market to help you do just that. Now, because this isn't a tutorial on that tool, let's just assume that you have already selected the right comps by removing any cash sales or foreclosures or anything that looks like it hasn't been repaired yet. Based on those selections, our ARV for our example property is just over $964,000. Because we are doing an offer sight unseen, we can then skip straight to the analysis screen to calculate our offer amount using the information that we gather about the property from our lead. For this analysis, let's say that we'll be marketing this as a wholesale deal. Let's start with the wholesale assignment fee. I'll put in $30,000, which for this property is a steal at about 3% of ARV. Now let's add the holding time. This would be how long you expect construction and sale to take. For example, 3 months of construction plus 2 months on the market would be 5 months holding time. Finally, let's add an estimated rehab cost using a $1 per square foot rule of thumb. For this property, at $50 per square foot in this neighborhood, that would come out to about $70,000 for the rehab. By entering only those 4 fields and using the calculated ARV value that we just came up with, the system generates a calculated max offer to the seller based on the 70% rule. You can adjust the rule percentage amount to match what investors are paying for in your market, though we'll keep it at 70% for our example. Now what we'll do is we'll copy the offer amount, return to the lead profile, scroll down to the bottom where we have the offer field, and we're going to paste that offer amount into the field so that tomorrow's automated email to the lead will contain that offer amount. Now to wrap things up, all we have to do is just head back up to the Tasks tab and check off that Create Offer task. Tomorrow, the email with the offer will get sent, and the day after you will get a reminder for this task to complete the scheduled follow-up. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You now know how to systematize your lead management funnel with the REIKit analysis and marketing automation platform to send out offers quickly and efficiently so you can focus more time on lead generation and less time on manually keeping track of lead offers and manually sending offer emails.